iPettie gifted me this pet grooming vacuum and I am so impressed. I have tried different tools that are similar to this on my cats before and they've always run away, but I tested this on my cats this weekend and they both were okay with it. I'll show you that in a moment, but let me show you everything you get first. Now this is the main vacuum. It has a nice handle so you can just walk around with it, and it has a ton of filters. Right on the top, if you twist this open, you get to the first filter. So this will definitely help keep all the pet dander contained, and this is easy to wipe out. And then this portion right here, you can unlock from the top and then the whole thing pops off. This is what will collect with all the cat hair, and it has its own handle to walk around with. And then when you want to dump it, you just press this button right here and it will dump right out. And it also has quite a bit of filtration built into it and built into the machine. You can see 2 more filters right here. So wherever the air is flowing, it's going through multiple filters. And then this just clips right back on. And then it comes with a lot of accessories. And of course, the first one is the hose itself. I love the length of this hose as it means that I can get further away from the noise of the vacuuming machine while I work on my cats. And this just plugs right into the front right here, snaps right in. And if you want to take it out, it snaps out easily as well. And then it has a 6-foot power cord that pushes in the other side. So this is good to go. And as I get into the accessories, I want to point out that this is not just for grooming your pets. You can also use this for getting all the pet hair off your furniture. And the 2 first accessories are great for that. This one is more of a focused nozzle with a brush on it, really good for upholstery. And this pushes down, so it's a 2-in-1 if you need more concentrated suction, or you want the brush on it while you're vacuuming with it. And then this is my favorite style of lint roller. It goes back and forth while pulling everything off upholstery or whatever you're running it back and forth against. And you can pop stuff out of the back, but the key part is that it will actually suck everything down into the vacuum. So it's a lint roller vacuum. So cool. And then you have an actual trimmer. This is powered by the vacuum itself. The nozzle has power go all the way through it. And then you can turn it on or off by the switch on the side. And then it comes with quite an array of trimmers. And then there's my favorite brush of all. When you push this button on the back, all of the pins come out, and it's basically a really nice grooming paddle brush. But when you press this button again after you've been grooming, it will immediately pull all those needles back in so it's flush, and any hair that's been collecting on them will get sucked right into the vacuum. So it keeps everything super clean. And finally, it comes with a manual and a bag for all those accessories. Now let me show you it while grooming my kitties. Now once you plug it in, it will light up, and these buttons are very simple. This is the unlock button for this container so you can remove it and dump it. And then this is your power button. And once it's on, you have 3 different levels, low, medium, and high. And then it's just on or off with the power. So you can control your suction up to 3 levels. As you can see, it did not scare my cat, so let's give it a try. Now I'm gonna brush him with the paddle brush, and it's really not that threatening. I'm gonna put it to low because he was getting a little scared. This is only his 2nd time. That's better. So I'd say you need to work up to go to the higher levels. But there you can see all the hair that's collecting on it. And if I had it at a higher suction, it would just suck that right up. So still not his favorite, but it definitely works. Now I'm gonna try it on my big fluffy rag doll. He doesn't actually mind it, which I am so impressed by. And it's taking a ton of hair off him. Now I am gonna give the trimmer a try. This guy has some pretty big mats on his chest, so we're just gonna trim those right off. And then all I do for this is I do just pop it back on like that, turn on the power, and then it buzzes when you hit the on-off button. And while it trims, it was sucking all the hair straight into here, so it was super fast. I probably shouldn't have trimmed his chest, but it definitely works. Definitely trims him down. And finally, let me show you this fantastic lint roller on this couch. Just turn it on. And now this will work like a normal lint roller, but it is sucking all of it through each time. Let me show you. With the vacuum on, you don't get to see anything because it's clearing it out every time. But here's how well it works with the vacuum off. You can see how much it's collecting. And then when I turn that vacuum on and go back and forth, it's gonna suck it all out. And with that quick little bit of work, I already pulled up so much cat hair, and thanks to this vacuum, it went inside this container instead of all over my space. And then I really do just take this out and dump this, and I'm good to go for next time. And it packs up small for easy storage. I am incredibly impressed with this pet grooming machine. It definitely is going to make a huge difference for me in keeping my cats a little less fuzzy and my home as well.